Hello students, today I will solve some other questions collected from previous year semester exams on differentiation. Now let us see the question. Question number 10 of 2017 summer. Differentiate sin x from first principle. Now the solution is, we have to find derivative of sin x with respect to x. Let fx is equal to sin x and delta x be the small increment in x which approaches to 0. Then f of x plus delta x is equal to sin of x plus delta x. Therefore, f of x plus delta x minus fx is equal to sin of x plus delta x minus sin x. Now here we apply the definition of the derivatives, or f of x plus delta x minus fx divided by delta x is equal to sin of x plus delta x minus sin x by delta x, dividing both sides by delta x. So this is equal to, this is in the form right hand side. See the right hand side. The right hand side is in the form sin c minus sin d. So the numerator is 2 into cos x plus delta x plus x by 2 into sin x plus delta x minus x by 2 whole divided by delta x, as sin c minus sin d is equal to 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. So this is equal to 2 cos 2x plus delta x by 2 into sin plus x minus x cancel sin delta x by 2 whole divided by delta x. Now this is equal to 2 into cos x plus delta x by 2 into sin delta x by 2 whole divided by delta x. So this can be written as cos x plus delta x by 2 into sin delta x by 2 divided by delta x by 2. Now taking the limit, limits as delta x tends to 0, we get limit delta x tends to 0, f of x plus delta x minus fx divided by delta x is equal to limit delta x tends to 0 cos x plus delta x by 2 into sin delta x by 2. So this implies, according to the definition of the derivatives, so f dash x is equal to limit delta x tends to 0 cos x plus delta x by 2 into limit delta x by 2 tends to 0 sin delta x by 2 divided by delta x by 2. So or f dash x is equal to cos x as delta x tends to 0. So delta x by 2 0. So this is cos x. So cos x into limit delta x by 2 tends to 0 sin delta x by 2 divided by delta x by 2 is 1. As this is equal to cos x as limit x tends to 0 sin x by x is equal to 1. Hence derivative of sin x with respect to x is equal to cos x, and this is the answer. Similarly, you all try to find the derivative of cos x, derivative of tan x, derivative of cot x, and derivative of all trigonometric functions. Next question is question number 11, 2018 winter old, 2017 winter new. Differentiate y is equal to tan inverse cos x minus sin x whole divided by cos x plus cos x plus sin x. Solution. Given that y is equal to tan inverse cos x minus sin x divided by cos x plus sin x. So this is equal to, now dividing cos x minus sin x divided by cos x plus sin x. In this question, dividing the numerator and denominator by cos x, we get this is equal to tan inverse cos x minus sin x by cos x divided by cos x plus sin x by cos x. This is equal to tan inverse 1 minus tan x divided by 1 plus tan x. So this can be written as tan inverse the tan pi by 4, the value of tan pi by 4 is 1. So in place of 1 we can write tan pi by 4 minus tan x divided by 1 plus tan pi by 4 into tan x. This is written in the form tan a minus b. So this is equal to tan inverse tan pi by 4 minus x as tan a minus b is equal to tan a minus tan b divided by 1 plus tan a into tan b. So this is equal to tan inverse into tan is 1. So this is equal to pi by 4 minus x, as tan inverse tan theta is equal to theta, or y is equal to pi by 4 minus x. Differentiating this with respect to x, we get dy by dx is equal to d over dx of pi by 4